Let me make you aware of a very serious problem I hope you haven't ignored as a student. LinkedIn connects you to your future job, but who helps you succeed while you're studying? Every semester, students are thrown into randomized groups or left to find study partners in a sea of strangers. This leads to mismatched skills, awkward collaborations, leading to lower grades and ultimately breaking the confidence. Don't worry, Team Tetraverse brings you the solution to this problem. Meet ClassmateConnect, the dedicated professional network to university ecosystem. This is the homepage of the app. Here, three options are provided, that is, joining with your required email ID, sign in, or the staff admin portal. Now, I'll join in with the edu.in email ID. I'll provide with the full name. Now, provide with the email address over here. Now provide with the required password. I'm providing any random password. Verify the account. Please complete your student profile over here. I'm selecting front-end developer. Interest like front-end, UI, UX designing. I'm providing with the skills like React, then Canva, Figma. Okay. Now the setup is being completed. This will take a few seconds and it will find your perfect project partner. Yeah, so it has provided with a detailed information why you should collaborate with this particular person and what are the skills you both are matching and how compatible you both are. Besides, other verified classmate accounts are also provided with whom you can collaborate if you want. Now here's a brief demonstration. Let me just come to the PowerPoint presentation. So yeah, this is the front page of the presentation. Team Tetraverse with leader name Oritrapal, members including I. Tithi Panda, Pranjal Roy, and Jagat Prasanna Shaw. The problem statement under open innovation. The first slide discusses about the problem statement and the proposed solution. Then we have discussed about the opportunities and innovation. How is it different from the existing ideas and also our target audience? The features of the solution is also being discussed over here. The Google technologies that we have used while building this particular application. Now, this is the process flow diagram or the tech architecture. That is, we have provided the flowchart of the process, how this particular application works. Also, the key features of the application that makes it unique and approachable. The snapshots of the MVP are provided. Here, the future development is also provided for your knowledge. Now these are the links, that is the GitHub repository link, demo video link, and also the link of the MVP provided over here. Now this is the end to our presentation. Thank you.